Awesome. All right. Well, let's dive in. I want to welcome everybody again this morning. Great to have you with us. Today's call is being translated now in 11 languages. So we want to welcome Hindi to the international language lineup for Daisy, and welcome everybody from India. We've got incredible momentum happening really all over the country. It was incredible, Edward. You shared with me that South Africa is on fire right now, and they were sending over some pictures of events. We saw live events happen throughout Japan going on, throughout Europe going on right now. New teams are preparing a launch in Latin America right now. We're just really seeing momentum building right now in Daisy. So congratulations to everyone. I'm excited. We're going to be doing an incredible tour this year. We'll talk about that more today, but Edward, Ilya, I'm super pumped to be in Tokyo, to be in Osaka. We've solidified the Budapest location. This is the European event. We're expecting 4,000 people at the European event. This is going to be incredible. That's almost twice as many people as we had at the international event in Dubai, just in a regional event alone. We're also preparing a North American event, so lots of momentum building right now, guys. It's just incredible. Let's dive in to the information today, because we've got a lot to cover. And Edward and Ilya, you guys still hearing me fine? No breaks?
You're breaking up a little bit, Jeremy,
okay.
but yeah, I think it's okay.
All right. So we're preparing for Daisy 2.0. As everyone knows, we announced at the event in Dubai, as well as on the last call, that we are transitioning into a full Daisy fund model, not just a crowdfunding model, but an actual investment fund model. And this transition is going to be very exciting. It's going to open up full throttle momentum for every member. So just a couple of quick highlights here. And I think before we even go through these four points, really just want to say, guys, and Edward and Ilya, please jump in on this, but there's no reason to do anything except build right now. There's no reason to panic. There's no reason to be worried. Oh no, what's going to happen in 2.0? Guys, here's what we promise you. Daisy 2.0 is going to be bigger, stronger, more powerful residual income, the most powerful residual we've ever seen in the industry. And for the work that you've done in Daisy 1.0 today, you will continue to earn from that. You'll continue to get paid. This is only going to make things bigger and better. That's it. We're just going to make things bigger, better. And when we announce the details of Daisy 2.0, everyone is going to be very excited about this next level that we're stepping into as a project. This is going to allow us to really grow to billions and billions of assets under management. It's going to allow us to grow to millions of people around the world. It's going to allow us to open up new markets. So this Daisy 2.0 is really been on our roadmap from the beginning, and this takes us to the next level. So Daisy 2.0 will launch this summer. The actual date, the actual timeline depends on multiple factors. Most importantly, just the legal infrastructure that's being completed right now. So once we have an official date determined, we will make an official announcement well in advance, so everyone will know the actual official date. Right now, our target date is June the 1st, but we want to be very transparent that it's going to be sometime this summer. We don't know if June 1st target is going to be met yet. There's multiple things that we're working on behind the scenes that have to come together, but certainly between June 1st and sometime this summer, the Daisy 2.0 model will launch. The investment fund model will launch. The transition will be completely seamless into the new model. Simply requires a KYC. So members who are in the current Daisy model can simply click a button, complete the KYC, your funds will be transferred into the new model, and you'll continue to receive the same performance results, the same residual income payouts. Nothing changes. It just transitions people into the new model. So for the current members in the old model, the transition, nothing changes for them. Everything continues. And so there's no need or no reason to wait for the launch of the new model. You want to just continue to build right now, and that transition process will be completely seamless. Number 3, the new model will be the most powerful rewards plan in the industry, and it will maximize current DAISY model and performance. And so we're taking the strongest components of the current DAISY model, and of course, the trading performance that has just been incredible will 100% continue. And the biggest enhancement in the new model is going to be the rewards plan and the onboarding process. It's going to be much, much easier for a new person to join. You're not going to have to deal with tiers, et cetera, et cetera. And the rewards plan, we're going to rock and shock the industry when we reveal the new DAISY rewards plan. Number 4, the key is to build as much momentum as possible right now in order to maximize the launch of the new model. We're going to talk about some of those details today, what to be focusing on right now in order to really maximize for the launch of DAISY 2.0. So Edward, Elia, before we dive into those details, any comments you guys want to share about the transition into the new model?
Well, let me say this. I see a lot of people asking questions in group chats. What's the reason to go pace setter? Should we go pace setter, or should we wait and start building once we transit into a new next phase, right? Which is, there's so many promotions right now to go there, achiever, builder pool, right? But it's almost like, think about the people who launched back in 2021 when we launched original DAISY, when we just launched the first day. And it was like, should I wait until we launch and start build then, or should I start pre-launch building team? It's kind of same, like in one day when you launch, the bigger team you have, the bigger success you will have. So it's so important right now. Yeah, it's so important right now. It's just, there's so many. We'll talk later about this on this call, but I just can't express how important right now. If I was building 100% focusing on building, if I didn't have to do other stuff, right, I would be what I do right now, 24/7, and I would not go to sleep. I would build the next 60 days. I would push, no sleep.
Well, yeah, Jeremy, I also believe that the goal of today's call is to show people exactly how they can maximize the earnings and to show potential of this model, right? So that nobody will ask this question again, right, Edward? Because once you're here, we're going to provide some details on paysetter, etc. Right? So of course, everybody should build now without waiting for next stage. So it only makes sense, and we're going to show you exactly, just as example, right? So we cannot disclose the whole reward plan yet, but we'll show you some examples.
Absolutely, perfectly said, guys. And a couple of upfront announcements, just reminders for everybody. Number 1 is that the momentum pack is extended all the way till May 31st. Of course, you know that this places 90% of your contribution into live trading. The momentum pack is now live at tier 3. So at tier 3, you can purchase 1 momentum pack. At tier 4, you can purchase 1 momentum pack. And then it's unlimited momentum packs for tiers 5 and above, again, all the way till May 31st. Tier 1 for new, just a reminder, tier 1 for new members is now a combo pack. So now when a person joins DAISY, they're going to join for 200 USDT. This is to help maximize the transaction fees that are on the blockchain. And this allows them to have 1 tier in crypto and 1 tier in Forex. And then from there, you simply upgrade in either category that you choose to the additional tiers, either crypto or Forex. You can continue to upgrade. Equity in endotech now begins at tier 3 with 1 share. And so because we've seen the growth that we've seen, we're coming to the end of the crowdfunding model. The equity has now been moved to tier 3, and it will begin with 1 share, and each tier will double in shares starting with tier 3. There's never been a better time to join DAISY and upgrade your contribution. So that momentum pack is just on fire. Again, we've just had an incredible last 90 days. Momentum is up from the event in Dubai. And a lot of it is because of the promotions that we're going to be talking about today. So builders and achievers pool. So the final, this is so important, guys, the next couple of slides. The final qualification period, as well as new funds being added to the pools, will end on May 31st of this year. So 2 months from today. Both pools will continue to pay out until May 31st, 2024. So that's a full year of permanent shares in those pools. Guys, that means that the pool value is gonna increase. There's gonna be no dilution. There's gonna be compounding. And this is gonna become an exclusive pool for those members who complete their qualifications in the next 60 days. The Told You So event pool performance is now added to the back office and will be updated this week. And so for all of you who attended the event in Dubai, you're in that bonus pool. And those numbers, performance numbers, will be updated this week. The builders pool share. So this is incredible. $313.77 per share. Over 5,300 builders pool shares were qualified for in the month of March. That's incredible. What a huge achievement, guys. The Achievers pool share, look at this, $4,688 per share. This pool just continues to hit between $4,000 and $5,000 a month per share. And again, that's with new members being added. Once we move into June 1st, this pool is going to become permanently locked. And these shares are going to become very, very exciting. And here's the exciting part we're going to talk a little bit about today, the builders pool share. So we're going to continue to pay out the builders pool from June 1st of 2023 all the way to June 1st of 2024. We're going to pay out to the permanent share earners. And so the temporary shares are month to month. But for those who earn permanent shares in the builders pool, right now, guys, listen, there are 123 wallets right now, 123 wallets in the permanent builders pool share. That's incredible. 123 people have earned permanent shares. That's a low number. Look at that. There's 355, but in the builders pool, 123 wallets. That means right now there's 123 people that have earned permanent shares. The reason we're so excited about this builders pool that's going to pay out for an entire year is that you have a chance to really secure be a part of an elite group of people that has these permanent shares. And we believe that this builders pool is going to actually be bigger than the achievers pool for each individual, because there's going to be much less people qualified in that bonus pool. And so we want to talk today about a promotion that we're going to run. Normally, in order to get a permanent share in the builders pool, you need to qualify for 3 consecutive months. You need to have at least 4 shares in March, 4 shares in April, and 4 shares in May in order to have 4 permanent shares. That means you got to have a total of 12 shares in a matter of 3 months consecutively, minimum of 4, in order to get the permanent shares. Well, we know that there may be some folks out there who didn't reach their goals in March, didn't get the builder shares. Maybe you weren't at the event and didn't understand the urgency of taking action in March so that you could have March, April, and May, 3 consecutive months. And so we're going to allow every member who earns 6 shares in April and 6 shares in May. So you create 12 shares just like everyone else. You're going to get 4 permanent shares in the builders pool. So that means literally somebody could start today in April, go out and create 6 builder shares in May. What a builder share is 5,000 in personal referral volume. So that's 30,000 in unilevel volume with the same 50% rule as the current builders pool. You do another 6 shares in May, and you're going to still get your 4 permanent shares in the builders pool. And so nobody has missed out on this opportunity. Every single person in the community can now take full advantage of the builders pool. Even if you did not qualify in March, you can actually start today, April 1st, and April and May with 30,000 in referral volume, in your unilevel volume. You can earn these 4 permanent shares. So Edward, Eli, I think this is actually pretty exciting, because I know that there are a lot of people that are just now starting to engage in Daisy. There's a lot of new people that have joined in the last 90 days. And this just gives everyone a fair opportunity to take advantage of this, even if they missed out on qualifications in March.
Yeah, Jeremy, even if next week or a couple of weeks later, some new leader comes in, they have this opportunity to achieve permanent shares with this promo.
Exactly. Yep. Absolutely incredible. So 60-day builders pool promo. Here's the top 3 goals for every member before June 1st. Every single member, doesn't matter who you are. You could be a pace setter leader with 5 shares. You could be a brand new Daisy member that joined today. Here are the top 3 goals every member should have for April and for May. Number 1, secure your pace setter gold qualification. We'll talk about why on the next slide. Number 2, secure your permanent shares in the builders pool. And number 3, secure your achiever shares by helping one personal referral become a pace setter gold. Now, we're not going to go into all the details. If you don't know what it takes to become a pace setter gold, it's 128,000 in personal referral volume within a 30-day calendar month, or within your first 30 days of joining Daisy. So 120,000 in personal referral volume, plus 24 personal referrals. Number 2, secure your permanent shares in the builders pool. Again, we just talked about that. You can do that literally. If you get 6 shares in April and 6 shares in May, you will have 4 permanent shares in the builders pool. And of course, many of you have already been creating permanent shares by qualifying for 3 consecutive months. And so congratulations to everyone who earned shares in March. If you earned 4 or more shares in March, and you do it again in April, and you do it again in May, then you are going to qualify for permanent shares. And then, of course, securing your achiever shares by helping one personal referral become a pace setter gold. So why reach pace setter gold by June 1st? If the new model's changing, why reach pace setter gold by June 1st? Well, number 1, you get continued residual income from all of the global trading rewards. In fact, what we're doing all the way through May of 2024 is we are actually adding an additional 2.5% to the rewards plan, so that all of the pace setter golds and pace setter leaders will continue to receive their residual income without taking anything away from the new rewards plan. This is just an additional bonus. So number 1, you continue to get your residual income as a pace setter. Number 2, there's going to be a huge special promotion when we launch the new model for all pace setter golds. And that promotion will allow you to actually double your shares in the new model. Now, we're not going to disclose any details right now, but just understand that the new model is going to be residual income driven. And we believe that in the new model, we will see people earning $1 million a month residual incomes and more from the new model. It's going to be the most powerful residual model ever seen in this industry. But for those who are pace setter golds in the current model, when you come over and we've launched the new model together, you're going to have that opportunity, and only pace setter golds will have that opportunity to double your shares in the new model. Now, I promise you, for some of you, this is going to be the difference between $20,000 a month and $40,000 a month. For some, it's going to be the difference between $100,000 a month residual and $200,000 a month residual. This is going to change the game, and this is really a reward for those that have helped build Daisy to where we are today. And we know that the Pacesetter Gold achievement is a major bedrock in the foundation of Daisy. We want to reward, as we always do, the Pacesetter Golds and above in Daisy who have really got us to where we are today. And so you want to be a part of that group. You want to be a Pacesetter Gold, if for no other reason, just so that you can maximize the rewards plan in Daisy 2.0. And the third big reason to become a Pacesetter Gold by June 1st is it is your last chance to secure your share of 5% equity in endotech. This is powerful because we have 5% equity that's shared with all Daisy members. That's 200,000 members around the world, contributors sharing in 5%. But we have another 5% equity that is only being shared by the Pacesetter Golds. And this is your last opportunity to secure your Pacesetter Gold equity in endotech. May 31st is the deadline to become a Pacesetter Gold and qualify for that equity. So you want to run hard. You want to help every person in your team that you can get to Pacesetter Gold because it's going to set you up for maximum momentum in the new model. Why do you want to earn permanent builder shares by June 1st? Well, the bonus pool for builders could be even bigger than the achievers pool because it only includes permanent shares. In the builders pool, there will be no more dilution in the pool because new shares will end on May 31st. And this is a bonus pool that's going to pay monthly all the way through May 31st of 2024. And so while you're building your residual momentum, your residual payouts in the new model and everything that we are going to be announcing, you're going to have as well this incredible monthly bonus coming in because you are a part of the permanent builders pool. And of course, there's no limit to how many shares you can earn in that builders pool as well. So big incentive to lock that in. You can really set yourself up with a strong monthly residual income just by achieving that goal. And same with achievers pool, guys. It's already the highest paying bonus pool that we have per share, averaging around $5,000 per month. There's no dilution in the bonus pools because, again, new shares will end on May 31st. So the bonus pool will only grow. It'll only compound every single month. And again, it pays monthly until May 31st, 2024. And so again, one more time, these are the three biggest things to focus on right now. Secure Pacesetter Gold, secure your permanent shares in the builders pool, and secure your achiever shares as well. So Edward and Ilya, I think, the next 2 months, we're going to see record growth because I know that everyone in the community really knows that this is where the money can be made in these bonus pools. This is where the rewards are really paying out right now. And this is an opportunity to secure and really set yourself up for this next wave of Daisy momentum.
Yes. And Jeremy, by the way, so we have momentum promo that you mentioned, right? Unlimited momentum packs that we run until end of May. And some people ask us whether we will extend it or not. So we decided that we are not going to extend it, right? So we're only running it for the next couple months. So this is why this promotion will be even bigger, right? Because it's based on those sales, momentum sales, which is very important point in my opinion.
Yeah, good point. We're going to probably have a record number of momentum pack sales over the next 2 months, and those funds are going to be permanently secured in those trading pools. So that's a really good point.
Right.
Good. Anything else on these slides?
No, I think you explained look, you perfectly nailed it. Explain it.
Okay.
The way it's easy to
also, if you have not qualified for your leadership ring and your achievers award, you still have that opportunity as well. So between now and May 31st, we'll be recognizing these new leaders at the upcoming events. and presenting you with those awards. And so we invite you to just lock that in. How do you get the leadership ring? You qualify as a Pacesetter leader, which means you have 3 Pacesetter golds that you've personally referred, and you have at least 1 share in the Achievers Pool. And if you do that by May 31st, you will be a ring earner. And again, how do you get this incredible Daisy crystal plaque? The best way to predict the future is to create it. Love this plaque. Again, become an achiever by helping 1 person that you refer become a Pacesetter Gold by May 31st. And you yourself also have to be a Pacesetter Gold. So again, everyone still has until May 31st to also earn the Daisy ring and the Daisy Achievers reward as well. The endotech equity reduction, we did announce this, but just want to make sure we clarify this one more time. Tier 3 will have 1 share, and each tier will double in shares starting at tier 3. And tiers 1 and 2 no longer have equity attached to them in endotech, as well as we start to phase out the crowdfunding model. Now, so many people are excited about this. We already have leaders that have achieved this already, and many leaders who are so close to achieving this qualification. But you have all the way until August 31st to reach this goal. I'm so excited about this event. These, I love the big events. I love the regional events, but my favorite events in this industry and in Daisy is when we get together as a core VIP group of leaders, and we get to just dream, we get to build relationship, we get to really have fun and really talk about the future of our lives together and this project together. And that's exactly what this event in Phuket, Thailand is going to be. It's going to be fun. It's going to be an adventure, and you're going to be surrounded by the top leaders in all of Daisy. How do you qualify for this trip? 5 million USDT in a cumulative unilevel volume. 5 million USDT in team volume. And this includes both Daisy and liquid sales starting from February 20th all the way till August 31st of 2023. Again, the 50% rule applies. So no more than 2.5 million of the 5 million will be counted from any single unilevel team. So you need to have at least 2 teams reaching that goal in order to qualify. This is an all expense paid trip for 2. And so it's going to be an incredible time. Most people are bringing their spouses. It's going to be such an awesome time together in Phuket. And we're excited to see everyone there December of this year. What a way to close out the year than to be together with big thinkers, big dreamers, big leaders, and really building that relationship. So this is going to be an incredible event, and you don't want to miss it. Again, all of the volume counts, the Daisy volume and the liquid volume counts for this trip. The Daisy events for 2023. So we have now an official date for the European event, which is September 9th of this year. So September 9th, we will be in Budapest. We have secured a venue that can hold 4,000 people. This will be a blowout event. You don't want to miss it. We have people flying in from all over Europe to this event. And while it's only going to be a one-day event, guys, it is going to be power-packed. I actually think that these regional events are going to be stronger than even our last global event because, well, number one, we just learned a lot. We learned how to really keep the show flowing and really put the right stories on stage. We learned a lot. And second of all, when you have this many people from one region coming together, focusing their energy on that region, and this being the European region, it's going to just be extraordinary. So we look forward to seeing you in Budapest on September 9th. And then Japan, the #1 largest and fastest growing market in Daisy right now. We will be doing 2 events in Japan, Tokyo on October the 7th and Osaka on October the 10th. And again, these are going to be sold out, packed out, major events. And we look forward to seeing everybody. We have people that are flying in from all over the world to attend and support these events. And we look forward to seeing you guys this fall. We're also looking at a couple other markets right now. We'll have more information coming soon on South America and some other markets that we're looking at, including the North America event, which we are going to announce once we launch Daisy 2.0. We will be making an announcement about the official North American regional event as well. So lots of exciting things happening right now. The main thing is keep the main thing, and that is everything you've learned, everything we've built, builder shares, achiever shares, and Pacesetter Gold. Run as hard as you can, as focused as you can, driving that through your organization, achieving those shares in the builder's pool, achieving your achiever share, helping others do the same, getting to Pacesetter Gold. This is where the power is at right now. You can set yourself up by reaching those goals in the next 60 days. And Edward, I love what you said on the call. You shared it also yesterday when we were, Ilya and I were talking yesterday, that if you were 100% building right now, if you weren't a founder of the project and with all the other stuff going on and you were a builder in Daisy, you would shut everything off for the next 60 days, get 100% focused on how many shares in these pools can you earn and how many people can you help do the same thing. And guys, you heard Edward say that again on the call today, and that's absolutely 100% the name of the game. How focused can we be for the next 60 days, creating record growth and record momentum together and preparing for this incredible moment where we launch Daisy 2.0. So Edward, Ilya, before we move into the liquid information today, is there anything else that you guys want to jump in and say, or anything I missed today?
Go ahead, Ilya, I'll go after.
Right. Jeremy, on Phuket, on Thailand promotion, so many people ask about when they can see the volume, right? Because they don't see it yet in the back office. So it's coming. I do believe it's coming in the next 1 week, maximum couple of weeks. We are really sorry for this delay. We do understand it's kind of like uncomfortable to build and not to see the volume, right? Qualification volume for this promotion. But because our tech team is so busy right now with all these promotions and plus liquid calculation and everything, right? So you will see it very soon. And like Jeremy said, we already have few people that already qualified, made more than 5 million USDT in volume after the event, starting from February 20th. This is first thing. And second, well, Jeremy, probably you go to the next slide about ticket sales for next year, right? I think.
Oh, and and you know what, I'm not sure if, that'll be here. I'll just jump to it. Let's go ahead and announce that. I didn't update this, and I apologize. So we can cover the updates. We've got a venue secured with a 10,000 person capacity event. This will be back in Dubai. I love the name of the event, by the way. Limitless is the theme of Daisy moving forward. We heard it loud and clear at the event. We know the Daisy rings are engraved with "I am limitless." And this is really the theme. We are limitless. You are limitless. Your financial potential is limitless. Daisy is limitless. And so this Limitless 2024 event is going to just be an epic event. Ticket sales are live right now, right, Ilya?
Jeremy, the tech team just came back to us and told us it will take a few more hours, but they will launch it today. So I believe we can
live today.
Yeah, we will announce it on our official channel once it goes live.
And so because we had a delay, the reason for that delay, guys, we had to actually have our own ticket platform coded and built because the fees on cryptocurrency that the other platforms were wanting to charge were just not fair to the community. So we had a delay there to build this ticket platform out. Because of that, Ilya, we're going to launch the 149 discounted price. We're going to launch that today, and that's going to be for 2 weeks. Is that correct?
Yes. So which means until April 15th, right? And then the price will go up to 199.
Awesome. So from April 1st to April 15th, we hope everyone will secure your ticket. We want to start to build massive momentum with the ticket sales so that we can really have a 10,000 plus person event in Dubai. The discounted ticket will be $149 from April 1st to April 14th. And then on April 15th, that price will go up to $199. And you'll be able to go today, and we'll make an announcement in the Telegram channel. You'll be able to go today to limitless2024.com, and you'll be able to purchase your tickets with cryptocurrency live from that website, and you'll be able to complete your registration form as well. So any other info on that, Yulia?
Yeah, right. And the way it's gonna work is actually you put it in your browser of Tronlink, right? So the process is going to be very easy. So you connect to your wallet and you pay. So it's based on a smart contract, very simple smart contracts. And since we have this payment solution up and running, right? So we'll be able to start selling our European event tickets also very soon, right? Because some leaders asking, they already want to sell to the team, right? 4,000 people in September in Hungary. So we will start those sales also very soon, right? Because now we have this payment solution, in-house payment solution ready.
That's awesome. Listen, while we were on this call from the last event, I just got a text message from our tech team, and I asked them if they can calculate and give us the numbers from the last Dubai event, the attendees and the people who brought 3 people, right? For each 3 people, the shares. And I got the numbers actually this first time. I didn't know the numbers. Normally they don't work on Saturdays. I asked them if they can get us this done right now. So for the people who brought 3 people in Dubai, they would get 3 shares, right? And there was people who got 10 shares, 20 shares, 5 shares, whatever. That share worth right now is $1,355.89 per share.
No way.
Yep, $1,355.89 per share. The people who brought 3, right? And for all attendees, the share is worth right now $243.82. 243 for all attendees, and it's just the beginning.
Wow.
We're just
And it's
right?
just beginning of April. It's just April, so we have
yes,
1 year to go. This is crazy.
Really exciting.
Yeah, this is incredible. And for those of you that may not know what we're talking about, we did a promotion for the last event where every person who attended the event got placed into a bonus pool, and every person who had their team come to the event, their personal referrals come to the event, got placed to a bonus pool. And that's what we're talking about. And that bonus pool is trading. It's live, it's trading, it's producing trading performance, and those profits are being shared back. This is unheard of. I mean, literally every single person that attended the Dubai event actually is getting paid to attend the event. And that's just incredible, guys. That's never been done. So congratulations to all of you who qualified. That's amazing. $1,000 a share in the second pool.
$1,355 per share. That's like another business, right? Like another promo.
Yeah, it's like a business within business. Right?
Yeah. It's exciting.
Unbelievable. And yeah, and there's people that had many shares in that pool because they really promoted the event. That's incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I got another text message from one of the leaders saying, I can't wait for this call to be over so I can go back to work.
I love it. At least they didn't say go back to sleep.
No, go back to build.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. Well, guys, we want to transition and talk a little bit here about Liquid and make some really important updates. We realized we were talking amongst ourselves that maybe we made a mistake by surprising everyone with the Liquid launch at the event. Maybe we should have given some preparation in advance so people could be ready. But now that Liquid has been going, people are seeing the mining revenue. They're seeing the rewards. The bonus pools will be paying out this month. There's some exciting things happening. And so we are starting today. Liquid NFTs, Liquid miners are now available to any person you refer, even if they are not a Daisy member. So up until now, you had to be in Daisy in order to purchase the Liquid NFT and be a part of the mining program. Now a person can actually join the mining program through your referral link, even if they're not a member of Daisy. And guys, maybe we haven't talked enough about it, but the momentum is picking up on the Liquid NFT sales, and I'm positive about this, and we know some things about where we're going as well that we're not able to disclose yet because we're under non-disclosure agreements. But this project, while it's never going to be the main project of Daisy, This is something every single member should be participating in. You should be earning mining revenue. Position yourself in this platform as quickly as possible. The bonus pools in this platform are like nothing the industry's ever seen. The ability to earn altcoins that haven't even hit the market yet, and to earn them residually as a result of promoting liquid, referring liquid, this is absolutely phenomenal. When we transition, when we move into the Bitcoin mining phase, those of you that are a part of the current soft launch of liquid are going to be in the maximum position to maximize the entire model. And so this is the moment I recommend. And here's what's crazy, because not all of the leaders have started building liquid yet. Not all of the members have started promoting liquid yet. Guys, the bonus pools are ripe. I mean, ripe for the taking. If you go out and earn shares in the liquid bonus pools, you start promoting this to your team, just the residual component alone from the referral plan is absolutely incredible. But on the AMA calls this week and on the last webinar that we did, the liquid team, the Atom mining team, really broke down the numbers as well. What type of profits they expect, they have seen over the past years as these tokens launch on the exchanges, the profits that can be made in our community is absolutely incredible. And so if you are not earning mining revenue, if you do not own a liquid NFT yet, we recommend that you get off this call today and you immediately go into your Tronlink app, go to liquidmining.com. It's going to recognize your wallet as a Daisy member. You're going to have the ability from there to download the Liquid app. In the Liquid app is where you will find your referral link. So if you want to refer someone who's a non-Daisy member, they can come to your referral link and they can purchase the Liquid NFT. And guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be big. This is going to be one of those potential wealth creation models that, sure, it's not daily trading results and it's not this, it's not that, but can you imagine when these tokens hit the exchange and some of them 10x and some of them 100x, and we were able to mine these startup projects and earn from all of these different projects on a daily basis. And then when they hit the market, to be able to cash in at those high levels. And of course, when we launch the Bitcoin mining, the next phase of liquid is going to be the Bitcoin mining. Every single person who's involved with the first phase, the first round of liquid NFT right now, you're going to be first in line to be able to continue to move with us into the Bitcoin mining model as well. So get your NFT. I recommend at least a rig or above, but even if you just come in and say, I just want one miner, I just want one individual miner, great, get started. But the rigs, the racks, the containers, guys, this is a big opportunity for you to actually have your own mining business and be paid residual income, not just from your own mining rigs that you own, but from all of the miners that are owned, all of the NFTs that are owned within your organization. So Ilya, you've been working on a daily basis with the team. I'll throw this part of the call over to you, brother.
Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. It is actually, today is April 1st, right? So it's a very exciting day because we finally launched liquid sales for non-Daisy members, which is very important because even leaders in Daisy community, right? So we do have some people who didn't join Daisy for some reason, but they want to focus and build because they love crypto market, because they love mining projects, right? So whatever reason they have. So now you don't need to be Daisy member to join this business, right? So we do expect sales boost this month because of this. Also, just a reminder, right? So I think the guys, they're doing very good informational updates on the Telegram channels, but starting from today, everybody needs to pay for electricity, right? Because mining cryptocurrency is not free. So the first month was a promotion. And starting from April 1st, everybody who bought NFTs in March or starting from February 20th, so now need to pay for electricity, and it's going to be like on monthly basis, right? To have enough power electricity for one rig, I think it cost $95 to pay for 1,000 kilowatt, right? So this was all explained on Telegram channels multiple times. Just make sure that you guide your people also properly. And you mentioned about electricity. And Jeremy, it is very exciting. I do believe that building your portfolio of tokens and coins is long-term is a very profitable business, especially now as we go to the bull market, as we all believe, right? Before Bitcoin halving happening next year. I think that the timing is perfect, and we all wait for Bitcoin mining also coming next step. And also on the referral side of Liquid, the team is preparing a professional video. We will release it maybe in the next 1 week, probably, right? So we need to check that video, all the nuances, all the details. It's going to be a very fun video, short video explaining exactly how the pay plan of Liquid works. And we made some updates, some changes, some important changes in the pay plan that we will be announcing very soon in terms of the pools. I mean, everything becomes only much better for members, but it's going to be very powerful and really residual income. So those news updates also coming very soon. And we do have already, Jeremy, some information about builders and achievers shares for March. So without giving any exact numbers, so we can say that even for Achievers pool in Liquid, we already have few people qualified back in March, and commission for the per share, right, for Achievers pool is going to be multiple 5 figures, right? Which is phenomenal. It's powerful. It's very big. So we're talking about
like for some people, yeah, it was like $40,000, wasn't it?
Exactly. It's like I do believe it's going to be close to $40,000. So we need to finalize all the calculation to check, because we just got this data today. And of course, we will show everything in the back office, including the team volume, all the legs in unilevel structure in Liquid. It's coming next. We are really sorry about the delay because we are still in beta. I do believe it's coming in the next couple of weeks, right? And then after that, we will catch up, and it will happen on monthly basis, right? Everybody will be able to see real volume in Liquid in a real time, which of course will make things much easier, right? So I'm very excited about Liquid. So the team is extremely excited. Liquid team is extremely excited about Daisy community. Many of you guys already spoke with them, met them in Dubai, met them at the blockchain live event also in Dubai, right? So the team is very positive, very professional. They're doing calls like on daily basis, and they are here to serve you, to serve all our community, and they provide the best tools in the industry. And we are really proud of this collaboration with them.
Yeah, we all three of us have been involved in mining. I've been involved in mining for several years. Edward, I know you as well. This is the best team I've ever worked with, not just from an operations perspective, but from a software development perspective, a marketing perspective. These guys are phenomenal, and the AMAs that they're doing, the Telegram groups that they have, the videos that they're creating, they are taking this project all the way to the top. And we have an incredible opportunity to, if you're not plugged into the Telegram groups for Liquid, if you're not plugged into the AMA sessions for Liquid, I highly recommend getting plugged in, getting your people plugged in, because it's a wealth of information that is being shared, and the process is being made simple. So you can go to our official Telegram group for Daisy, and you can scroll up and you can see the link for the official Telegram group for Liquid. Make sure you're a part of that. Make sure you're plugged into the Discord channels or the AMA sessions. But you nailed it, Ilya. This team is like no other team we've ever worked with, and this opportunity. I mean, I'm blown away. I mean, I'm honestly blown away. There's people that took this project, we launched it in Dubai, they promoted it through their groups, they earned shares in the Achievers pool, and now they're going to make $30,000-$40,000 bonus as a result of that. I mean, that's an exciting thing to be able to say. And guys, the residual component on this is even bigger. So this is a huge project. Get your Liquid NFT, lock it in, get it done. Let's support this project. Let's really bring the strength of Daisy behind this project. Promise you, this is a good one. This is one that you want to own, you want to be a part of, you want to promote, because it's all upside. It's all upside from here. There's no better way ever, not buying, not ICOs, not IDOs. There's no better way to get altcoins for startup platforms and projects. There's no better way to invest than to actually mine those tokens using the inside algorithms that the Atom to Mining team has, the ability to mine tokens that no one else in the world is even mining right now, projects that are on the verge of going public. We get to accumulate those tokens as a NFT owner and as an NFT promoter. You promote this to your organization, the residual payouts are lucrative, and you could really change your life financially just with this liquid project alone. So please, we invite every single one of you, get your liquid NFT or multiple NFTs, upgrade your NFTs, go to the rack, go to the container, go, from a rig to a rack to a container. This is going to be a powerful long-term project, and we're going to see some big wins coming off of this. So make sure you plug in. Again, there's an updated bonus video that the team is going to be releasing that's coming out very soon. And again, guys, the last slide, we'll say it one more time, the events that are coming up regionally, and of course the global event, February of 2024. Go to limitless2024.com. Tickets will be available in the next couple hours. We'll be making an announcement on the official Telegram channel once the ticket sales go live. And this is it. This is the year of momentum. This is the year that we become a multi-billion-dollar project. This is the year that we reach millions of members around the world. And the next 60 days are the most important 60 days that you've ever had in Daisy. Build like we've never built for 60 days, April and May. And as we move into the Daisy 2.0 launch, the momentum that you're going to experience is going to be like nothing you've ever seen before. So, Edward, Ilya, I'll throw it back to you guys to close out the call today.
Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. So we got 5 minutes left. We made it on time this time. So, Edward, maybe you have something to say.
Well, yeah, I mean, talking about liquid, it is really exciting project, and it's really good to diversify. And if I don't know if people noticed, there was at the end of one of the PowerPoint, it says coming soon ASICs. That means Bitcoin coming soon. And when I say coming soon, it's actually very soon. So that's going to be another exciting announcement very soon. But just like you said, Jeremy, the next 60 days, it's like no sleep. I was just with one of the leaders talking a couple of days ago, and I told him exactly. I said, if I were you, I would not sleep for the next 60 days. This is when you can secure your permanent shares, because I mean, I know a couple guys right now in our group in Daisy that how many shares they have permanent already. And if we were already stopped, and I just calculated the numbers, if we were stopped right now and this was paying out not to how many 5,000 something, but paying out only to those people, his part would be over $140,000 on a builder permanent.
Wow.
And that's not one time. That's not every single month and growing bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So imagine potentials, what you can earn. I mean, this person is already locked. He already a 6-figure a month residual on a permanent builder shares. We're not talking about achiever shares. We have people have 11 achiever shares, 10, 8, 9, right? And you saw the prices, and it's just right now is no time to waste. It's just 60 days focus, laser focus.
Yeah, absolutely.
Love it.
All right, guys.
So
let's go back to work.
Yeah, not back to sleep, Jeremy.
Work, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's
That's
close.
awesome, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Appreciate everybody. Love you guys. Let's
guys.
rock and roll. Let's make April a month to remember.